Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of one of our retired demo service vehicles, the 2019 Chevy Tahoe Premier. This vehicle only has 5,866 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. It is a four-wheel drive vehicle that comes with a 5.3 liter V8 engine. And then as you can see, it does come with your back tinted windows and 20 by 9 inch polished aluminum wheels. Now when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our automatic assist steps, our premium Bose speaker audio system, all weather mats, tan leather with a white lining throughout the entire vehicle. We have an entertainment system, a sunroof, a spot to charge your phone, your Chevy MyLink radio, heated and cooling seats on both sides, push to talk, front collision alert, a heated steering wheel, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.